Users can now define their own standard hose assembly in the catalog and associate to tubing specifications. Like for all other component groups, the user will decide if the group of parts will be instantiated as a new assembly or as a pack of individual parts. Then every user can instantiate the standard hose assembly with fixed length. The assembly will be placed based on one extremity, then the user will adjust the orientation and finally connect the second extremity to the desired equipment or component. Each extremity fitting can be adjusted in rotation to minimize torsion. The same hose can be reinstantiated in another place easily and adjusted to the new position. As a result, the user has now placed two of the same hose assemblies with the same length but in different positions and with different shapes.